Hey everybody, I'd just like to wish everyone a happy new year and hope they had a great holidays. So this video is a slightly different video than what you guys are used to. You guys are used to seeing like my computer screen and then my face just at the little bottom here. So this is just like a little talking head video. Just kind of going over what I'm going to be doing over this new year. So we're still going to be doing a bunch of those tutorial videos that I've been doing. I've been taking quite a few requests in the comments from you guys, which I love because it just makes the content that you guys really want to watch. And I really enjoy making that stuff. So we're gonna have some. Just looking at it right now, we're gonna have quite a few GUI videos. So just graphic user interface videos with PowerShell. We're gonna be making some more of those. Also, I have planned to just go over the installation of Visual Studio 2022 because we did the 2019 version, and that was pretty well received. And kind of right after that, the 2022 version came out. So I'm going to be going over that, and I also have some ideas about doing some project ideas for beginners and intermediate and expert. Again, with PowerShell. PowerShell is really going to be the area of focus for me for now, anyways, and maybe go into C sharp as well as both of those could be kind of used almost interchangeably. So I'm thinking of making some like project idea videos and then making the solutions to those project ideas. So if you guys would like that, just comment down below. And if you guys have some project ideas, I have a bunch at the top of my head, but if you guys want to see something completed and kind of like where I would rank it, if it's like more of a beginner or intermediate or like expert project, put the project idea down below and I will try to include it in one of those videos and kind of like rank it what I think that it would be like skill level wise, and then go over the solution of how we would do that. So some of those projects that I'm thinking right off the top of my head would be kind of like a service inspector, like we've done in the graphic user interface, but then also give the user the ability to restart or stop or start those services through a GUI. And then the GUI, I would honestly say it would probably be more intermediate or like advanced level, whereas just the script version would definitely be more of a beginner level. So that's kind of how I would rank it, and I would kind of make all the beginner projects, and then I would make the intermediate projects maybe a level up of the beginner version, so you guys can kind of see the progression that we can make with those projects. If that's possible, there might be some beginner projects that just kind of stop there and don't really want to move forward with them because you don't need a graphic user interface for some of them or something like that. Some of the other things coming to the channel is definitely going to be trying to focus a little bit more on some fun things. So maybe a little bit more of those gaming videos that I did for Diablo 2 release. I've also got a Twitch stream planned for launch in this year as well. As I got a game capture card now, so I would be streaming live coding. So if ever I'm like working on those projects or something cool that I think would benefit a lot of people, I would share that live stream. I would come onto here obviously first and post a little talking head video about what we would be building, and then posting kind of like the schedule of when that live stream would happen, and then you guys would be able to tune in on Twitch. And then I would also try to record it to post the recording here. So people that missed the live stream would be able to see it, but I'm not too sure how to do that yet. I still have to look into that a little bit more. So that's kind of what you'd expect from the Jacked Programmer channel in 2022 anyways. I'm still thinking on more content for you guys, like more tutorials, stuff to help you guys out. Maybe do a little bit more talking head videos too, kind of like this. Kind of like explain my journey into tech and my journey into programming, my journey into PowerShell, maybe. So if you guys have any questions, any ideas of what you guys would like to see on the channel, definitely comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I know that there's a few of you that have been with me since the beginning, which I totally appreciate. I never expected to get to 600 plus subscribers now, so I am definitely super stoked. So I just want to say thank you guys, and I can't wait for 2022 with you guys. Like, subscribe, and if you haven't already, hit that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out. And I will see you guys on the next video.